Is your PC ready for Windows 11? Windows 11 has been out for a while now, and if you're still running Windows 10, you might be wondering, can my PC handle the upgrade? Or worse, why won't my PC upgrade? Before you shake your fist at Microsoft, let's break down how to check your PC's compatibility and what might be holding it back. The easiest way to check if your computer can run Windows 11 is to use Microsoft's PC Health Check tool. Here's how. Download the PC Health Check tool from Microsoft's official website. Install and run the tool. It's quick and painless. Click Check Now. The tool will analyze your hardware and tell you if your PC is eligible. If you get a green check mark, congratulations! You can upgrade. If not, keep watching. We'll figure out what's going on. There are a few common reasons why your PC might be stuck in Windows 10 limbo. Your processor isn't supported. Windows 11 requires an Intel 8th Gen or AMD Ryzen 2000 series processor or newer. If your processor is older, Microsoft has decided you're living in the past and won't let you upgrade, at least not officially. You don't have TPM 2.0. One of the biggest roadblocks is Trusted Platform Module, or TPM 2.0. This security feature is required for Windows 11, and if your PC doesn't have it enabled, you'll get a compatibility error. Pressing the Windows and R keys, typing tpm.msc, and hitting enter. If it says TPM 2.0 is ready for use, you're good. If not, check your BIOS. It may just need to be enabled. Secure Boot isn't enabled. Windows 11 requires Secure Boot, another security feature. You can check this by pressing the Windows plus R keys, typing msinfo32, and looking for Secure Boot State. If it's off, you might need to enable it in your BIOS. Not enough RAM or storage. Windows 11 requires 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. If you're low on space, consider a spring cleaning, aka deleting those old downloads you forgot about. Your graphics card isn't up to snuff. You'll need a DirectX 12 compatible GPU. If you're running an older integrated graphics card, that could be the issue. Windows 11 system requirements. If you want to upgrade, your PC needs to meet these minimum requirements. Processor, 1 GHz or faster, and at least an Intel 8th Gen or AMD Ryzen 2000. RAM, 4 GB minimum, but really, aim for at least 8 GB of RAM if not more. Storage, 64 GB minimum. We recommend solid-state drives or SSDs. TPM, version 2.0. Secure Boot, ensure it's enabled. Graphics, DirectX 12 compatible GPU. Display, 720p resolution or higher with a 9-inch or larger screen. Internet connection, required for initial setup and updates. If your PC isn't eligible, you have a few options. Upgrade your hardware. Adding RAM, a new CPU, or enabling TPM might make your PC Windows 11 ready. Stick with Windows 10. It's supported until October 14th, 2025, so you have some time. Find a solution that works best for your needs. If upgrading or sticking with Windows 10 isn't ideal, consider the other alternatives. You might explore using Linux if you want a free, lightweight operating system, or check out cloud-based computing solutions like Windows 365 for business environments. If your primary concern is security, investing in extended security updates for Windows 10 could be an option. The best choice depends on your specific requirements and how you use your PC. Windows 11 brings some nice features, but not every PC is invited to the party. Check your compatibility, weigh your options, and decide whether it's worth upgrading now, or wait until the next version of Windows inevitably shakes things up again. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.